it's Gina with your note of the week. This week's note is customer profile fields. A customer profile field is a field that you can add to the customer record to capture additional information about the customer outside of their name, address, and phone number. And it's pretty easy to set up. Let's go to Setup, System, Quick Setup. Click on the Customers tab, and I've already set up a couple, but notice that we have code profiles, date profiles, alphanumeric, and numeric. Code profiles, you need to develop a list to select from in order to populate this particular field, which I'm looking for a birthday month. A date profile is month, day, and year specific. So in other words, any entry made into a date profile has to utilize a Counterpoint calendar, or at least the entry of month, day, year, all numbers. Alphanumeric is exactly what it sounds like. You can enter numbers here or letters here or both. And numeric is also what it suggests. Any value entered here is going to convert to a numeric value with a decimal. So now that I've set a few of these up, let me show you how they look on a customer record. So let's go to Customers, and let's just find a customer. Let's look for me. So now that I've enabled a profile through the quick setup, I have a new tab, and it's called Profile tab. So here I can go and select a birth month. Notice that there's a magnifying glass on the field, so I can't just free type here. I have to actually go into this list and select something that's predefined. Favorite color, I mentioned it could be numbers. It can be letters. It can be both. I'm just going to put blue. Anniversary, this is from the date profile field, and I had mentioned you need to have a month, day, year. So you can free type here, or you can use the calendar, but you do have to use month, day, year. Budget is a numeric field, so any value I put here, when I press enter, Counterpoint's going to insert a decimal. So that's adding additional information to a customer record. So how do you leverage that information? Well, in this example, because I've been capturing the month of a birthday, I can leverage this field by running a lookup to find out all my customers that have a birthday in whatever month I like and sending them a birthday card. Here's how you do that, pretty easy. Let me save this record. I'm going to go into a lookup, and I want to know all my customers that have a birthday in August. So I'm going to click on Options, Filter. I'm going to customize the filter because I don't see a birthday month condition here. I'm going to right-click, Customize, and right here where it says click here to add a condition, I'm going to click. Then I'm going to click on the first name. I'm just going to type a B, and there's my birthday month. So now I have a condition to search by. I'm going to right-click and simplify. So in the birth month, I want to know all my August birthdays. And here we have it, a list of all my customers with a birthday in August. But I need some more information because I am going to send them a birthday card, so I need to know their address. And I will be able to easily see that right through this lookup. If I just right-click anywhere where there's data, and I go to the column designer, and this is all in alphabetical order, which is really nice, I can just double-click on the birthday month, address 1, and I'm just going to click on that and move it up, and okay. So now I have a name address list of all my customers with a birthday in August. So from here I can just print up the list and hand it off to somebody or send out my birthday cards, or if I want I can preview it and export it to a different application. So if I come to Options, Preview, use this little envelope up here, And we'll just do the format Acrobat, but you can choose any format you like from this drop-down. And I'm going to make the destination the application itself, and click OK. I'm going to click through the pop-ups here. And there it is. Now I have my mailing list for customers to send them birthday cards. That's profile fields. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching this week's video. I would love to hear from you. If you would like to submit a question or a suggestion for a future video, email me at training@cksystem.com with Note of the Week on the subject line. To request a free training catalog or to schedule training, call me at 888-476-7911, extension 3. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you next week.